Free Rider, 1959.
Well, let's go check out some dead people.
Come on, Free Rider. I thought we were trying to change the tenor of this channel.
I think I turned around. I'm going the wrong way. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's right. Let's go down a one-way street. Shit, I'm gonna have to look at a map. Texas State Cemetery.
The Texas State Cemetery, located on 22 acres just east of downtown Austin, originally the burial place of Edward Burleson, Texas Revolutionary General and Vice President of the Republic of Texas. It was expanded into a Confederate cemetery during the Civil War. Later it was expanded to include the graves of prominent Texans and their spouses. Miss you, Ann. Miss you a lot. So, Texas State Cemetery. You always want to come to a place like this during what's called the golden hour. And we have just begun winter. But winter in Texas is a little different. So, hopefully all of y'all that are in the cold regions can enjoy a little quietude here. Y'all be safe.